The Rainbow Goddess Duo set will contain a Mousse Rainbow Goddess Highlight. So those are the matte highlights that have a little bit of a splendid color to them. And then a Rainbow Goddess Shaker that has a all-natural mineral based glitter inside that is not made out of plastic, so it doesn't pollute our oceans and harm fishes like nasty plastics do. This line focuses on feminine power and has goddesses from different cultures across the world, including Oshun, Tufna, Malila, Namaka, Aphrodite, and Mazu. This set comes with a 7-gram jar containing the Mousse Rainbow Goddess Highlight and also the 5-gram shaker jar of the Rainbow Goddess Sparkles. You can apply these by simply shaking them straight from the jar or by putting them into the lid and using a brush, or as I do, directly dump onto the body.